Are we filming? Are we?
Is this on?
Are we filming?
Is it on?
Are we filming?
I think it's on.
Make
We should
up.
probably switch sides though.
Make up.
I'm gonna go behind here.
Oh, this is not working. It's not. This is not. It's not. It's not comfortable for me. Ugh.
I'm the devil on your shoulder.
Can you?
Don't do bad
Can you-
things.
Okay. I'm gonna.
Don't be a drag
I think. Here we go.
queen. Oh, too late.
I did not press that.
Yeah, you did. That was you.
No,
I saw your hand. I could barely move my hand.
I'm gonna start recording now. Okay.
Yeah. All right. Go ahead.
Okay. Hi. Welcome to Puppets on Film.
We're not doing film.
Okay, hold on. Let me restart.
Might want to do it again.
Hi, and welcome to Puppets on
Games.
There
you go, games.
Hi, I'm Scott Hamilton, and this is my co-host, Benizio del Toro.
Yeah. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Yo soy el Che Guevara.
And, yeah, so we're going to come here on a weekday,
There you go.
and, talk to you about games.
Yeah. So, what's on the agenda for today?
I feel like we need to start this off with a public service announcement.
Fair enough.
Yeah. Don't buy a Wii.
Whoa, that was like, you didn't even try to be PC, man.
You. Yeah, you, buddy. Talking to you. Don't buy a Wii.
You're a dick.
Yeah, spoiler alert. It's the same damn system as the Wii.
Hey, wait, I got one. Spoiler, you're gonna play Mario again. And probably Metroid. And, I'll give you 3 guesses on another game, but you're only gonna need 1.
Does it involve an elf?
Maybe.
Does it involve a Triforce?
Maybe.
Does it involve a princess?
Maybe.
Well, what is it? I don't know.
Zelda!
I buy a Nintendo Friday.
It's so true. I'm sorry, but we are just a waste of money.
Yeah.
A waste of time. And
Wii U.
I don't know. I wasn't really a fan. I'm not a fan.
No.
I was barely a fan of the Wii.
No. All right. Like, let's see the big.
Like this is what happened at E3 when Nintendo was like, "Hey, we're gonna come out a new system." In my head, all I saw was this.
They said, "Hey, guess what? We're gonna be in HD because previously we looked like this."
Like us. Cue the filter. Oh, wait, which filter? The filter that makes us look like we're not HD. Oh.
Look now I'm a Wii
Oh,
game.
look, I'm a Wii game.
Oh.
This is like what Manhunt looked like.
10 years later, now we finally look like this.
Oh, not that great.
Not that great, but a little bit better.
So sad.
Yeah.
So sad.
Yeah, sorry all you Wii U owners out there, Nintendo fans. But, you know, you can always take some solace in knowing that you've got a overpriced tablet device in your hand. Yeah. Yeah, you
That's
guys.
funny.
Yeah, you guys.
That's funny.
Yeah, we'll be sitting here playing on our new Xboxes.
Yay! PlayStation!
Yeah. You go have fun with your 3 games, and I'll go play my plethora of games.
Yeah, total plethora.
Yeah, but you feel really stupid now, Wii owners.
Bam! Bam! Bam!
Bam.
Bam!
Do we end it there?
I don't know. I guess we can look back at it, see how we did, and Hey, if it's good enough, who knows? Maybe we can
review it.
Yeah, all right.
We're gonna review this, guys.
Yeah, sweet.
Yeah.
So, thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching.
And
Puppets on Games.
Yeah.
Muppets on Games. Puppets on Games.
Whoa.
So scary.
What was that?
I don't know. Don't ever do that again.
That was like the corruption from Darksiders.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Hey, you know what you can play on Wii U? Darksiders. But you know where else you can play that?
Where?
Anywhere better!
That's funny, that's a good one. That's a good one.
Oh, making fun of Wii U is just, that's a pastime.
It really is.
Pastime.
So, like we said, remember everyone, when it comes down to the Wii U, big no. No. Don't do it.
Save your money.
Yeah. Alright, guys. Later.
Bye.
Bye.